Imagine a life where you never feel tired. No more alarm clocks, no more groggy mornings, just endless energy, 24/7. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if you never needed to sleep at all? On average, humans spend about one-third of their lives sleeping. That means if you live to 90, you'll have spent 30 years asleep. But what if science found a way to remove the need for sleep entirely? At first, it sounds incredible. Think about it. You'd have 8 extra hours every day. You could learn new skills, work on passion projects, travel, or just have more time to enjoy life. But here's the catch. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's how your brain removes toxins, processes memories, and repairs your body. Without sleep, our minds and bodies would slowly start to break down. Scientists have studied people who go days without sleeping. After just 24 hours, concentration drops. After 48 hours, your brain starts shutting down non-essential functions. Go much longer, and you could even start to hallucinate. But what if we could biohack sleep? Scientists are already working on sleep replacements, from smart drugs that mimic deep rest to brain stimulation that could reduce sleep time to just 2 hours a night while keeping you fully recharged. Some experts believe that in the future, humans may evolve to need little to no sleep at all. But until then, our best bet is understanding and optimizing sleep, because for now, it's still one of the greatest mysteries of the human body. So, what do you think? Would you give up sleep for extra hours of life? Or is sleep too important to sacrifice? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring mind-blowing science, hit subscribe for more.